Hi, I'm back after a really long time. Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence, more specifically, a hot new initiative by the Indian government called India AI Mission to make India a leader in AI. Mission AI is like a giant gift box for AI entrepreneurs and researchers filled with AI goodies. The Indian government is investing over 10,300 crore rupees over the next 5 years to supercharge the country's AI ecosystem. And the cool part, it's a team effort. Public and private players are joining forces to make this happen. Gift number 1. The India AI Compute Capacity, a massive computing ecosystem deploying over 10,000 superpowered GPUs, becoming the muscle behind all sorts of AI projects. There are plans to build an AI marketplace designed to offer AI as a service and pre-train models to various AI innovators. But muscles aren't everything. You need smarts too, right? That's where the India AI Innovation Center comes in. This center will be a magnet for top researchers working on foundational AI models. Data is the fuel for AI. So Mission AI has given us the IndiaAI Datasets Platform, which is all about making sure researchers and startups have high-quality data to work with. This means making non-personal data sets more accessible and useful. Now, all this amazing tech is useless if people don't know how to use it. So the next gift is the India AI Future Skills Program to bridge the gap by expanding AI education and setting up data and AI labs across India. They're making sure everyone has a chance to get on board the AI train, including kids from Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. Democratizing technology. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. Mission AI also focuses on safe and trusted AI, ensuring ethical and responsible use of this powerful technology. But wait, there's more. India AI Startup Financing will help nurture innovative AI startups, giving them the resources they need to turn their ideas into reality. The India AI Application Development Initiative will further support the creation of practical AI applications. So what does this all mean? Mission AI has a potential to make India a global leader in AI, fostering technological independence and ensuring everyone benefits with this incredible technology. Pretty exciting stuff, right? Well, if you're interested in learning more about Mission AI, make sure to check out the description box below for some links. As always, let us know your thoughts and what are you most excited about Mission AI. Until next time, stay curious, keep learning, bye.